Today, I'm here at the AUX Intelligent Industry, with my robotic companion, to decode the secrets of energy efficiency. Huh? OGN. Hi, 小奥.
I'm here.
Great to meet you. Turn on the air conditioner.
Okay, the air conditioner is turned on.
Whoa! How does the air conditioner achieve the human sensing function?
My engineers have equipped me with an AI core, enabling real-time voice localization by intelligently recognizing user needs and dynamically adjusting airflow. Energy is delivered exactly where it matters most, reducing unnecessary consumption and eliminating energy waste. Now, it's your turn to show off.
Please play some music.
Initiating playback. Whoa, didn't expect you to dance this well. Let's move on to the next stop.